Are you afraid of eating potatoes because it will cause you to gain weight? Are potatoes actually unhealthy and to be avoided for weight loss? Let's talk about what potatoes actually are. They are a vegetable. They are a starchy root vegetable, and vegetables are healthy, right? That's correct. But potatoes get a bad rap because they are high in carbs, which causes weight gain. Yes, potatoes are a starchy vegetable, but it's also a naturally starchy vegetable, but like its more superior viewed health halo and often called superfruit cousin, the sweet potato. We'll get into that later. Starches and sugars in veggies and fruit are natural, and they are also considered carbs. Sugars are simple and shorter molecules, which means that they get more quickly absorbed into our bloodstream compared to starches, which are more complex, and they take more time and energy for our body to digest it. Starches help you stay fuller longer and help manage your blood sugars better compared to foods that are higher in sugar. I talk more about blood sugar management and carbs in this video here. Remember, carbs is not the problem for weight loss. As you've heard me say, eating more calories than your body needs and not being connected with what your body is telling you is the reason why you're not losing weight and keeping it off. Potatoes are high in starch, so that means it's great because it slows down how it enters into our bloodstream and to be digested by our body. This is what will keep you feeling fuller longer. Plus, if you're also eating the skin of the potato, it's even better. The skin adds fiber, which further slows down digestion and makes you feel more satisfied longer. 1 cup of raw diced potato is only 122 calories, 3 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of protein, making a great carb veggie to add to your meals. Potatoes are also a great option for weight loss. You might be wondering, how about its more sophisticated cousin, the sweet potato? Sweet potatoes are viewed as the sexier superfruit starch, but it's actually quite similar to potatoes in terms of its nutritional profile. It's about 122 calories per 1 cup diced, 2 grams of protein, and 4 grams of fiber. The main difference in macros is that it's higher in sugars and lower in starches compared to potato, but that can be seen as obvious since it's sweeter than regular potatoes. Because of the nature of the flesh, there's also a difference in the vitamin and mineral content of sweet potato compared to potatoes. Sweet potatoes are much higher in vitamin A and potatoes are higher in potassium. But you can get vitamin A and potassium from other foods like carrots, cooked spinach or kale, red peppers, and you can get potassium from bananas, dates, avocados, and cooked spinach. So sweet potato and potatoes are pretty much indifferent for weight loss. Potatoes are a staple for many growing up, and personally I enjoy it over sweet potatoes. Are you a sweet potato or potato fan? Let me know in the comments below. For personalized coaching to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.